brownie mix. You have the recipe on chefclub.tv. Of course, it's really tasty. I put a lot of hazelnut inside. Once you have your brownie inside, we're gonna add some texture and really good stuff to this brownie. Perfect. Once it's gonna be cooked, the marshmallow creates a grill texture to the top. Perfect. Into the oven. Our beautiful brownie came out of the oven, and of course, I'm gonna pour Baileys inside my shot glasses. We're gonna add some whipped cream at the top. Perfect. Some crushed hazelnut at the top. Perfect. We're gonna leave this on the side and move on. So I took some Jello pudding here inside big jars like that to replace the milk that we need for the pudding with Baileys. And now that we have the Jello pudding and the Baileys, I'm gonna shake everything to create the mix. Perfect. So once you have your mix, you're gonna take everything and I'm gonna pour my two pudding inside my jar here, and we're gonna marble them. Beautiful. And now let's go to our mold to create our pudding pops. And then you're gonna put everything inside and you're gonna see the two colors. That is beautiful. Look at this. Perfect. So once you have your pudding pop inside your mold, we're gonna add some little piece of chocolate just to have this beautiful crunch inside the pop. It's tasty and pretty. Look at this. And we're gonna place the ice cream holder right there. Perfect. It's gonna do the same for every single one. And now, tricky part, straight to the plug and to the freezer. Popsicle here are perfect. Look at this. I'm gonna take the pudding pop and we're gonna dip it into white chocolate. That is beautiful. Perfect. And I'm gonna use caramel. This is salted caramel. A little bit of crushed caramelized hazelnut on the top. And here we go. A little bit of hazelnut and keep them. Let's now finish this beautiful dessert